Today we will discuss about the interest on capital. Sometimes what happen, children, opening capital is not given and we have to calculate the interest on capital, because interest on capital is always capital to the opening capital, not the closing balance of capital. So first we have to calculate the opening balance of capital. How it is to be done, just see. We deduct some item which already we have added. Just the table A is given. Just see, when capital are fixed, calculation of opening capital. Capital at the end of the year is given. Withdrawal of the capital. The item which we have deduct earlier, now it will be added, and whatever items related to the capital which have been previously added, now they will be deducted, and in this manner we will get the opening balance of capital. So just see, capital at the end of the year is given, then withdrawal is given, additional capital introduced during the year is given, and with the help of these items we have to calculate the capital in the beginning of the year. So what we have to done, what item which we have deducted earlier, they have to be added back, and whatever item has been added earlier, they will be deducted back. So withdrawal of the capital, previously it has been deducted, that's why it will be added back, and additional capital introduced during the, it will be, previously it has been added, now it will be deducted. So capital at the end of the year, add withdrawal of capital less additional capital introduced during the year, and we will get the capital in the beginning of the year. This is only when the two situation is, when the two cases are given, withdrawal of capital and additional capital introduced during the year is given. When next situation is when capital are fluctuating. So how it will be calculate? Once again the same approach we have to follow. What item we have deducted earlier, they will be added back, and what we have added earlier, they will be deducted. So what we have deducted earlier, drawing against capital, drawing against profit, interest on drawing, share of loss for the year, that item has been deducted earlier. So we have to find out the opening balance of capital, they will be added back, and what we have added previously, they will be deducted here, and what item will be deducted here, that is the additional capital introduced during the year, partner salary remuneration, interest on capital, share of profit for the year, and at the end we will get the balancing where that will be the opening balance of the capital. Clear, children? Okay, once again see, what we have deducted earlier, we will add it, and what we have added earlier, that will be deducted. So what we have deducted earlier, that is a drawing against capital, drawing against profit, interest on drawing, share of loss for the year, they have been deducted previous stage, they have been added back, and what we have added, they will be deducted now. So what we had added previously, that is additional capital introduced during the year, partner salary remuneration, interest on capital, share of profit for the year, they were added previously, now they will be deducted to get the capital balance in the opening. We have shown this to calculate the opening balance of capital in the statement form. This situation, this opening balance of capital can also be find out by preparing the capital account of the partners. So just see the items which are at the credit side and items which are at the debit side. Items that are the credit side are all the items which has been added previously, and item at the debit side, the item which have been deducted. So, see the children, the credit side is the plus side for the partners capital account, and my debit side is the minus side for the partners capital account. So whenever any transaction which increase the capital, that will be at the credit side of the partners capital account, and the item which decrease the balance of the capital account, that will be the debit side of the partners capital account. So what item increase the capital? First of all, balance brought down, balancing figure, that will be the answer. So then cash or bank, capital introduced during the year, interest on capital, partner salary, commission, profit and loss, appropriation account, that is the share of profit. At the debit side, cash or bank, drawing against capital, drawing against profit may also be, Interest on drawing, profit and loss, appropriation account, that's the share of loss. Balance CD, that is the closing balance. It is given in the question. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the credit side, the first item, that is the balance brought down. Balancing figure, that is the opening balance of capital. Now see children, one example on this problem. A and B are partner in a business and their capital at the end of the year, not at the beginning of the year, at the end of the year were 7 lakh and 6 lakh. It means it is a closing balance of capital is given. Calculate their opening capital on the basis of the following information. Drawing of A and B for the year were given 75,000 and 50,000 respectively. B introduced capital of 1 lakh during the year. Interest on capital credited to the capital account of A and B were rupees 15,000 and 10,000 respectively. Interest on drawing debited to the capital account of A and B were rupees 7,500 and 5,000 respectively. Share of profit credited to capital account rupees 1 lakh each. So we will see the solve the problem in the both the manner, in the statement format or by preparing the capital account of the partner. So just see the statement format. Calculation of the opening capital. First, we will take the capital at the end, that is the closing balance of capital of both the partners. A 7 lakh and B is 6 lakh is given. Then, as we have discussed earlier, the item which were previously deducted, now it will be added back. So what we have deducted, which is given in the question, that's a drawing during the year 75,000 and 50,000, and interest on these drawings, that's a 7,500 and 5,000. So that two items which were previously deducted now added back, and then out of the total of these items, what will be deducted? What we have earlier added. So what we have added earlier, that's a capital introduced during the year. Then interest on capital, then share of profit for the year. So total of the added item is 7,82,500 of A, and what we have to deduct, that is the 1,15,000. So capital of the beginning of A is 6,67,500. That is the opening balance of capital. And B, the total of the added item is 6,55,000 less total of the deducted item, that is a 2,10,000. So the balance is 4,45,000. Just we have discussed that figure can also be stressed by preparing their capital account. So children, just see partners capital account. First balance BD, that is a balance sheet, that will be the answer. So there is a question mark here. Then by cash or bank account, what we have capital introduced additionally. So in the question, just see B has introduced additional capital, so that amount is given in the column of B. Then interest on capital is given for both the partners 15,000 and 10,000, so it is at the credit side. Then share of profit, that is a 1 lakh each, so at the credit side. Now come to the debit side. That debit side item will be recorded which deduct the capital balance of the partners. So first it is a drawing which is given in the question, 75,000 to A, 50,000 to B. Then interest on that amount, 7,500 and 5,000, and then balance CD, that is given, that's a closing balance, 7 lakh and the 6 lakh. So we will make the total. So total will be of A debit side capital account 7,82,500, and the item 1,15,000 will be the less item, so the balancing will be 6,60,500. Same process we will repeat in the case of B. Total of B 6,55,000. Now what we have to deducted item is the 2,10,000. So 2,10,000 when you deduct from 6,55,000, so the balance will be 4,45,000. That should be the required answer, and that's the opening balance of capital. And why we have calculated opening balance of capital? Because we have to calculate the interest on capital. Interest on capital is always calculated on opening balance of capital, not on closing balance of capital. Thank you, children.